All right, and welcome back. Well, earlier we heard from Common Ground volunteer Paula Peterson about soil testing and soil health. And now Paula is back with a recipe to share, and Taryn is standing by now with more.
It's back to school week.
We are. I'm so excited.
Lincoln Public Schools started Monday, Tuesday. Waverly today.
Start today, yeah. And so we have a foreign exchange student from Spain that's living with us right now. Her name is Jenna. And so today was her first back to school day.
All right,
so,
starting it out here in Nebraska. So
yep,
you need something fast here for breakfast.
Right.
Yeah.
And so on this recipe, it calls to toast the oatmeal and the almonds earlier ahead of it. You can actually do that a couple days, stick it in a Ziploc baggie, and then you can use it when you need it. Okay. So now it's just a dump and go. Go ahead and add the oatmeal.
And again, these are granola bars,
These are granola bars if you put it in the right size pan.
Okay.
You can add the egg. Yeah, it takes one egg because you go ahead and bake this.
Is this your recipe or
no? It's one I found. It's just a super easy one because you can mix it and match it to whatever you want. Okay. Go ahead and add vanilla and a little cinnamon. And if you don't like cinnamon, don't add cinnamon. Brown sugar.
Okay.
Okay. Now this is where you get the fun part. These are craisins. If you don't like craisins, use raisins. This is dried apples because I like to have that pop of fruit in there.
Yeah.
Because it just seems to make everything lighter. I like coconut.
I do too.
So I remembered that. So
this, thank you.
Sunflower seeds.
Good stuff.
And you need chocolate.
Yeah.
So I added chocolate chips to it. And then you just add some melted butter. That's normally meltier. But it's hard when I sit here.
It's okay.
And then we add a little honey.
Ooh, okay.
And when you do your honey, if you spray the cup with your vegetable spray, then it comes right out. Here, can you?
Good tip. You'll get that off of there for you.
There you go. And then you just mix it, and then it'll dump in this pan.
Okay.
And
we're looking at the ingredients there. We'll also have this on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page. Actually, it's up already.
Yeah, I saw it. It had 2 shares already.
Yay, it does. Great. I have to add the picture to it yet.
And so all you do is dump it in that pan.
Okay.
And then it'll bake for about 15, 20 minutes. And this pan, it'll be a little thicker than the one I tried, and this will be more bar-like.
Yeah.
So tomorrow, Jenna will actually get granola bars, not granola crumble.
All right, this is how it looks.
But it's really tasty.
Okay, and Tom likes it.
Tom likes it. He snuck some last night when it was sitting on the counter.
I bet it's good when it's hot.
Yeah, yeah. But it'd be great crumbled over ice cream too.
Multiple uses.
I like multiple uses.
I like that. Like I said, this recipe is on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page, on my Facebook page already. Thank you, Paula.
You're welcome.
Back to school recipe. Back to you, John.